Ready to get started with your Shiftwave session? This video will guide you through everything you need to begin your experience. First, let's get you seated. Make sure the chair is fully upright, then use the armrest to help lower yourself into the seat. Scoot all the way back without reclining just yet. Now, use the interface on the control box or tablet to navigate and select through Shiftwave's protocols. Each protocol has unique characteristics. Some are designed for relaxation and mindfulness, some for performance and focus, others for recovery and regeneration, while others concentrate on transformative breathwork. For more guidance on protocol selection, refer to your protocol guide and our Choosing the Right Protocol video. We recommend first-time users start with the protocols Welcome to Shiftwave and This is Shiftwave, formerly known as Shiftwave 10. These two protocols help you navigate vibration intensity and introduce your body to vibration-based nervous system training. Once you've selected your session, let's get you ready. Place the eye mask on your forehead so you can still see for now, then put on your headphones, ensuring a comfortable fit. You can adjust the volume at any time using the inline volume control on the headphone cable. If you are using the optional pulse oximeter, place it on the index finger of the hand nearest the control knob. This can be used to track pulse, blood oxygen metrics, or engage biodrive, our heart rate biofeedback algorithm. Now, adjust the vibration intensity using the control knob or slider on your screen. We recommend starting around 60%, and you can fine-tune the level to match your comfort and needs. If you're unsure where to start, begin with a lower setting and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Remember, you're always in control. You can adjust intensity or pause a session at any time. Ready to begin? Press play on the control box or tablet. Then carefully lean back so that you're almost horizontal. To ensure comfort, you can adjust the pillow behind your head by sliding it up and down the chair. Now pull the eye mask over your eyes. This helps you relax and get the most from your Shiftwave protocol. Once you've settled in, take a moment to notice how the vibrations feel and adjust the intensity knob to find your comfort level. Your ideal setting may change day to day as your system adapts, and that's perfectly natural. Once you've found a level that feels right, allow yourself to let go and enjoy the experience. Trust your body's signals. It knows what it needs. For protocols without narration, you can follow the vibration rhythm with your breath, inhaling as the vibrations increase and exhaling as they decrease. Don't worry about matching it perfectly. Just let your breath flow naturally with a pattern. That's it. You can now allow yourself to be fully immersed in the vibrations and let the session guide you. When your session ends, gently lift the eye mask to your forehead and take a moment as your eyes adjust to the light. Slowly bringing the chair upright, remove your headphones and eye mask and hang them on the control knob. Use the armrest to help you scoot forward and rise from the chair. Now you can re-enter the world, carrying the shift from your session with you.